To get our algorithm to check if the word old is what the user typed in, I'm going to go ahead and use the equals operator. So I'm going to grab 3 of those. And then if you look further down, you want to get letter of. Right? So let's put letter of on one side of the equals operator. And we want to say, look for the first letter of answer. So let's go to sensing and we grab answer, and let's put answer in the word section of letter of. And we don't want to look just for the first letter of the word. We want to look for the first letter, make sure that is O. We want to look for the second letter, make sure that is L. And we want to look for the third letter, and we want to make sure that's D. And if all of these are true, then we know that that word is old. And we know the word old is what the user typed in. So we need to go here to operators, and we need the AND. So let's get one of them, but we have 3 conditions we want to meet. So we need 2 ANDs, an AND in an AND. And then we grab the first condition, place it in the AND, grab the second condition, or let's start with the third one, put it on the end there, and then put the second one here. So this entire expression is going to be true if O is the first letter, L is the second letter, and D is the last letter. And we could put that inside of an if statement. So let's grab an if, drop it inside the if statement, and if we look under the looks, we could say, right? And what do we want to say if they ask old? We want to say, I am 307 years old. Okay, let's assume he's a very old robot. And so now if we hit the green flag, it starts with the introduction, and I want to type in the word old. Hit enter, and it finds that this condition is true, and it gives us the right response. If I try that again, but this time I don't use the word old, I maybe type in how old are you, right? This condition is not going to be true because the first letter is H, and the second letter is not L, it is O, and the third letter is not D, it is W. So it's not going to say, I am 307 years old. So I'll hit enter, and it does not say that. And so in order for us to check if old is any word in the sentence, we need to use an array. And that's what we're going to do in our next lesson.